Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all 3 superfood fat cutter drinks that can help you reduce the body fat from your body and also are very much nutritional in each and every form. Now these 3 drinks, if taken once every day, will definitely help you reduce your body fat and will also trigger the fat from your different body parts, that is from belly, from thigh and from different regions that contains more amount of fat in your body. These drinks are very much high in nutritional content and are very easy to prepare at home itself. So without any delay, let's get started with the 3 superfood drinks for melting fat. Now the first superfood is wheatgrass. Now wheatgrass is intense. It contains 70% of chlorophyll and which is very important blood builder. Wheatgrass is extremely rich in protein and contains 17 amino acids. Wheatgrass also helps in slowing down the aging process. It can basically help you eliminate toxins from your body, which definitely helps support healthy liver function and detoxifies your body with the help of chlorophyll aids in it. It's definitely a metabolism booster which aids in weight loss and best superfood for winters as it boosts your immune system to a very great extent. Now, how to consume it? You can add 1 teaspoon of wheatgrass powder in your smoothies if you prefer to consume smoothie as your breakfast, but if not, you can also simply mix 1 teaspoon of wheatgrass powder in 1 cup of water, mix it well and have it. You can have it as a mid-morning snack or you can also have it at around 5 pm but not later than that for the complete digestion process. To buy wheatgrass, the link is in the description box below. You can buy it online and it is easily available in the nearby stores as well. Now the second drink is very easy to prepare at home. The ingredients for it is 1 glass of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 to 3 tablespoons of aloe vera juice, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of ginger grated. Now in 1 glass of warm water, add all these ingredients, mix it well and consume it. Now the main ingredient in this superfood fat cutter drink is aloe vera juice. Now I cannot explain the complete super health benefits of aloe vera juice as it's big in number. But for short, let's discuss the main points of aloe vera juice. First, liver function. When it comes to detoxing, healthy liver function is the key and aloe vera juice is an excellent way to keep your liver healthy. For constipation, drinking aloe vera juice helps increase the water content in your intestines. If you're constipated or have problems with frequent constipation, try incorporating aloe vera juice into your daily routines. And definitely a fat cutter as it cleanses your liver from each and every point, and definitely when your liver is cleansed, it will definitely not store enough fat in your body. Now, aloe vera juice is very readily available in the market, but the point is to buy the original aloe vera juice. Now I have tried lots and lots of brands, but I swear by New Herbs aloe vera juice. It is very organic and it is prepared from aloe vera gel extracted from aloe vera plant. It's purely natural and comprises of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants and lots of amino acids. It definitely tastes natural and is healthy and a perfect starter for aloe vera juice lovers. So try the New Herbs aloe vera juice and you'll love having it. To buy this, the link is in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. Now the last but definitely not the least superfood fat cutter drink is ajwain and jeera water. Now all you have to do to prepare this drink is, in 2 cups of boiling water, add 2 tablespoons of ajwain and 1 tablespoon of jeera. Let it boil for approximately 5 minutes and then 2 cups of water remains to 1 cup of water. Pour it in a glass with a strainer and have this drink hot. Now I cannot emphasize on how much this drink benefits your bloating. Yes, if you're suffering from bloating, so consume this drink each and every day to reduce the bloating from your stomach. And also when there are times that you binge on food, you can consume this drink after your food intake and I can guarantee you that you'll start feeling relief from the heavy stomach and definitely will flush out the food very much quickly. So consume this drink at night before going to bed or as your early morning drink. Now if you have any query regarding any superfood fat cutter drink from this video, just comment below and I'll revert back to you as soon as possible. Click the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More. Click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post or upload a video on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I post and upload on my Instagram stories daily how my diet goes each and every day and providing you with free diet plans each and every day. So click the description box below to buy wheatgrass powder, aloe vera juice and any other ingredients. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.